Kuzambola Charsu. Today I'm here in Kila Gemba, or popularly known as the Anim Drasang. Kila ki Anim Drasang Anim Drasang Anim Gemba. Almost above 3,600 to 3,800 meters. I guess I'm not sure about the height, but because I can see Chelala Pass here, which is 3,988 meters. So this should be below Chelala Pass. So almost around 3,800. Let's say 3,800 meters. And there are lots of nuns here, sacrificing their life, dedicating themselves, doing meditation and praying for all the sentient beings, for peace and happiness of everyone around the world. So let me show you what I'm seeing right now, the view and the temple from 9th century. Excuse my breathing thing because it's really high and the oxygen level is a little bit low. That's the monastery, that's the temple, and this is the view.